Once upon a twisted time, a very picky queen lived in a far-off kingdom with way too many pillows. This queen had one mission in life, to find the realest princess in the whole wide world to marry her son, Prince Fred Ward. Now, Queen Pickyface didn't trust just any girl who wore a sparkly dress and said, please. Nope. She had rules. Big ones. If a girl wants to marry my son, she'd say while fluffing her 99 throw pillows, she must be sensitive, polite, and able to detect tiny, hidden objects in her sleep. One rainy night, a girl knocked on the castle door. She looked like a drowned cupcake. Her hair was frizzy, her shoes were muddy, but she smiled and said, "Hi, I'm a real princess. May I stay the night?" Queen Pickyface raised an eyebrow so high it almost flew off her head. She called the butler. "Prepare the royal guest room, and get the bowling ball." Yes. You heard that right. A bowling ball. Not a pea. Not a marble. A full-sized, heavy, shiny, round bowling ball. Queen Pickyface stacked 20 soft, puffy, feathery mattresses on top of each other like a sky-high sandwich, placed the bowling ball at the bottom, and fluffed the top with a pillow shaped like a llama. The princess climbed up the mountain of mattresses using a ladder. She smiled, snuggled in, and poof, fell fast asleep. The next morning, Queen Pickyface barged into the room with a smirk. "Well, dear, how did you sleep?" The princess rubbed her eyes and said, "Slept great. Best night ever. The only weird thing was a dream I had. I was bowling with marshmallows." The queen gasped. She didn't feel the bowling ball. Not even a bump. Not even a cramp. She's not a real princess. The queen was furious. But Prince Fred Ward? Well, he laughed. He looked at the muddy-haired girl and said, "You dreamed of bowling with marshmallows? That's the coolest dream I've ever heard." They went to the royal garden, tossed gummy worms at ducks, and talked about their favorite comics. Prince Fred Ward liked her for her imagination, not because she could detect dinnerware under furniture. Eventually, Fred Ward told his mum, "I like her. I want to marry her, bowling ball or not." Queen Pickyface sighed, threw her 99 pillows in the air, and finally gave in. And guess what? The princess brought her own bowling ball to the wedding. They lived happily, weirdly, and wonderfully ever after. And every Sunday night, they bowled with marshmallows.